All right, y'all, I'm on my lunch break. Ain't got much time. All right, y'all, I came in here to get me some Tootsie Rolls. I don't know why, but I've been craving Tootsie Rolls for the past couple of days. So I am gonna grab this. It's $5.15. There's a $3 digital on here for one. If you got a little extra money to spend or extra time, my store don't have no Olay, but Olay is buy 3 get 5 off. The Dial hand soap coupon is back, where you buy 2 and then get $1 off instead of it being off the individual one. For Jergens, there's a $1.75 and then a $2 off the big one if you need that. I'm so sorry, I'm rushing, guys. All right. There is a $1.50 digital off of that. I think it's like $6 or $7. What did I come in here for? Oh, for sure. The Palmolive and the Ajax is pretty much, it says buy 2 get 1 free. And then there's a $2.75 digital. So I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out, but we're gonna grab that. All right, guys, so I did scan the coupon. I told y'all I'm rushing, I'm so sorry. So this deal this week is buy 2 get 1 free. It is off the big Ajaxes and the Palmolives. So you can mix and match and get whatever it is that you need to get. Remember, do what's good for you and your household. I'm not gonna get the big ones that's $4, and then that one's $4.45. I'm not gonna experiment. I'm gonna get the regular size ones because I know that it's gonna work. I don't know why the one with Fabuloso is cheaper, but it is. So keep that in mind. There is a $1 digital on the Done. Get that and be great if you need it. The Febreze plug is still in my app, but of course, you know, my store don't have it. Pretty much makes it free. I don't see it, so we on to the next item. Glades, that $1.50 digital is back, so we're gonna get 5 of these because you know it comes off of each one. All right, guys, so on here there is a $3 digital for this. It's $10.70. You take the $3 off. You got babies, that's a good deal. These bigger ones, they're $7, but a $2 digital is attaching. So again, you come here and be great and get what you need. I don't have time to cipher through this, but I'll be back in here later. It looks like the same coupons from last week, to be honest. Okay, we got these items. I forgot to get the single item Palmolive because it's a $1 digital for that. This one here. There's a $1 digital coming off with this one. Okay, so now I need to find the chips and a Pepsi because I think the coupons are combining. I'm not really sure. So this week the Lay's are 3 for $6. And then the Tostitos are 2 for $5, and I believe they both attach to that coupon that's in the app. Don't worry, you guys know that I am going to get you a breakdown. And then Doritos are 2 for $6 after the coupon. So we are going to get the ones we like. We always check the expiration date. These go old in April 22nd. That's better. April. And then I don't even like sour cream and onion. Maybe my mama like them, but we'll just get it just because. Like I said, they're 3 for $6, and then there's coupons in there. And then I'm going to grab a Coca-Cola and my Tootsie Rolls that I came in here for. All right, guys, like I said, these are all digital coupons. This is a digital deal. There is a deal for the Ajax and Palmolive. You can mix and match, or you can get Ajax, or all Palmolive, whatever you want to do. It's a $2.75 off of two, but it says buy two, get one free. Dollar digital on this. The chips are 3 for $6, and there are coupons attaching. The Glade is a $1.50 coupon. It's attaching to all of them, and we're buying 5. And then the Dove, it's $5.15, and a $3 is attaching to it. Give me just a second, sir. I'll get out your way. Ain't no coupon on these. I just really like them. Ain't no coupon on these. I just really like them. Okay, guys, I seen somebody get this. I was gonna get one of those, but we want a cheap out of pocket, so I'm gonna grab a Mountain Dew. I don't drink Mountain Dew, but we're gonna make it work. All right, let's go see how we turn out. Hello. I got 5 total.
Let me go to 4.
You can throw everything in the same bag.
38.
I'm sorry, can I put my number in?
Oh, you got a lot of coupons.